Hola. What do you say, babe?
It's harder to do.
Cyclora cornuta. Okay. Weather is terrible, man. We're not impressed. It's raining. We're supposed to be doing snorkeling today. Yeah, they will. Sign our life away.
What's the date today? The 1st?
The sun says
I don't know for now. I don't know.
hi. It's a song.
Some.
If people like to stay like fried chicken, we gotta go.
I want fried chicken.
You like?
Yeah.
Stay like fried chicken.
Do you want to sign?
Shipwrecked. Oh, do you remember that show? Was it T4?
He's not looking at us like, look at these dick fucking foreign.
Language.
Stupid English.
Stupid English people.
Going in the sea in the rain.
We're used to just terrible weather.
We'll just go to Lakeside or something like that, go shopping.
Yeah, we'll go shopping centre if it's raining. And we still have a great time indoors. Wanna have a shopping trip?
It's very hot. Mucho calor.
Muito calor. Well, this is an event called the Reef Explorer that we were supposed to do today. Everyone's in a great mood, aren't we, guys?
Yeah, killing it.
You not going first?
You don't get it. You're not understanding, innit?
No, but I'm saying you go in and then test. You not going first. We'll get in. We paid all the time that we need to get in.
No. What's going to happen is we'll just rearrange this and come back another day. Have you seen the weather?
Oh,
We will.
we'll pin him down.
We will.
We're here, innit?
We have to be able to rearrange this. Look at the sky.
But we came. That's what I'm
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world.
Yeah, I want to go home. Yo. So, bit of a disaster. We're having to change resorts because the rain has just destroyed everything here at Dreams, in Dreams Resort, Punta Cana. So, packing, and they're moving us to one of their sister hotels or sister resorts, whatever, to Palms Beach, 15 minutes from here apparently. So, hopefully things get better over there. Hopefully they've got better weather as well. Did you like that?
Yeah. It's cute.
I'm coming. I'm here. What, did they need to see me?
Yes, she did. I had to give you a passport.
Oh.
Please, I need your
Sorry, man.
complete name, email, sign here, husband name is signed, and you sign the back page. What room am I having? What room are we getting? No, you don't have to.
Whoa. Hello there. Welcome to... Wait, what's this one called again? Palm Beach. So, this is where we've transferred to. Oh my word, what's this, a double shower thing? Yeah fam, look at this. No way. This is way better than Dreams.
They are all dreams, man.
This is where, well, what's the other one called? It's not called Punta Cana. They're not all Dreams. They're not all called Dreams.
They are all dreams.
Then-
This is Dreams Palm Beach. The other one's Dreams Punta Cana, Resort and Spa.
Well, this is better than that one. Nice bed.
Got a table back.
Got a table.
Well, we have a table in the other one, but... Oh, but should we light an incense?
Hopefully it smells nice. No way. This is so much better than the other one.
We'll soon find out, though, if it really is.
Let's go to the balcony. We haven't got really much to look at, but never mind. I think that's the road to come in. Oh, yes. I'm happy. I don't know why, but I had a lot of faith about this one.
Yeah.
Let's just go link the other guys and get a drink. This is Giles and Kamara's new crib.
Yeah.
Dining table, mirror, artwork, sofa, TV. Giles,
Going on?
ladies. I can't believe the size of this room. TV again.
It's a bit like...
Bed just like ours, but that's all we have in our room. I'm joking, I like our room. I do like our room, I do. Hot tub slash jacuzzi slash whatever you want to call it. Shower, but they don't have a double shower, but they do have jacuzzi or hot tub. His and hers bathroom, or sinks. And they have this small toilet here, but a big toilet around the front. Jealous. He's chatting diddy with it.
It just looks so dead in there, like.
Yeah, but look at there might have food.
The preferred club, swimming pool, adults only. Kamara and Giles got access to this, which means we have access to this because we're gonna act like all as one.
You guys are coming here, man. Talk about it.
Like, yeah, we came together.
Yeah, we came together. Hello.
Language.
Where you going? I thought you was looking at the map.
Oh, why don't we walk across this and be excited?
We were here. We're now
Walk across the bridge.
here.
What bridge? Come on, that's hardly a bridge, is it?
Beach is that way, guys.
Giles, pick finger in there.
What?
A massage.
You'd love that, wouldn't you?
I would.
Preferred club.
Yeah, but
Oh.
what now?
Well, look, we're in it. We're in it.
You guys are crazy.
I like that.
That's pretty cool. Yo. Okay, so I am absolutely knackered. It's been a really long day. The Reef Explorer just longed out the day so much. It finished at 1:30 as well, so considering that, then having to move resorts, even though we actually really like this one, prefer this one to the last one, don't we?
Yeah.
So yeah, loving that. We just had a look around the hotel, the resort. It's dark though, so I'm gonna wait for obviously daylight to have a proper look around and now vlog that. But so far so good. The food court is a bit smaller than the last spot, which is a bit
Definitely less food.
definitely less food. Bit of a bummer, but we'll see how breakfast goes. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Anywho, we're gonna check out some monkeys tomorrow, so let's see how that goes. Ciao.